Hi everyone, I bet you all know this famous and ancient game called chess. Many play it for fun while others take it as a career. I have several ways in which you can make money from chess either by playing the game or using your knowledge of knowing how to play the game. First, as a player, you can make money from chess by signing up in chess tournaments and competing for prize or prizes. From my experience, to sign up for most tournaments, you need only around 800 shillings, which is affordable. On the other hand, prizes to be won range from 5,000 to 20,000 shillings, depending on how many people sign up for the tournament. So if you are a strong player or an upcoming strong player, then this is a great opportunity to win this cash. In a month, there are several tournaments that if you put in consistency, then you will definitely make this your guaranteed source of income. The second way in which you can make money from chess is being an arbiter. In this tournament, an arbiter is like a referee in some sport like football. They are paid to record the players' scores and solve any disputes that may arise between players. As an arbiter, you can make around 10,000 shillings from one chess tournament. Apart from these two ways that I've mentioned above, you can also become a chess streamer in a platform such as Twitch. Grandmaster Hikaru Nakamura is the most famous chess streamer. This world's number 2 is known for his speed chess abilities and more than 10 pre-moves in a game. Streaming while playing chess is not hard, since all you need is a simple setup of a mic, good internet, and good skills in chess that will capture people's attention. As a chess streamer, you may earn around 10k each month if you put in the work and show consistency in your stream. The other way in which you can make money from chess is by investing in buying and selling of chess equipment like a timer and a chessboard like this. In this, you buy the chessboards and timers in wholesale or as a bulk so that it can be cheaper, then sell at retail. If done well, there's a very good niche which is less competitive. And finally, you can train other people and charge them on hourly basis, daily basis, or a monthly basis, depending on how you'll agree. This can be a good business to venture into, since not most people are able to teach instructive chess, yet there are so many players eager to learn. For example, in Lichess, which is free open source chess software, some strong players post on their profile the rates of their chess classes, and those interested just click and contact them. You don't have to do it through such a software, but you can just set up posters saying that you teach chess at a certain fee. People will reach out to you and everything will work just fine. If you need a chessboard to train people physically, or you need one for yourself, you can contact us at smarikenya@gmail.com and get it at an affordable price. I know this sounds interesting and I hope you'll try it out. Even if you don't, then you'll share the video to a person who you think might be interested. Our video has come to an end. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye bye.